In this video, I am going to guide you on how to change your password in the 13 Cabs app. This is important to keep your account secure and protect your personal information. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the 13 Cabs app on your mobile device. 2. Tap on the menu icon or profile icon located at the top corner. 3. Select the settings or account settings option from the list. 4. Look for the change password or security option and tap on it. 5. Enter your current password in the first field. 6. Type your new password in the second field and confirm it in the third. 7. Tap on save or update password to confirm the change. 8. You will see a confirmation message once your password is successfully updated. Changing your password helps secure your account and prevent unauthorized access. Make sure to choose a strong password that you have not used before.